Chapter 10, Number 6. One of the most studied objects in the night sky is the Crab Nebula, the remnants of a supernova explosion observed by the Chinese in 1054. In 1968, it was discovered that a pulsar, that is a rapidly rotating neutron star that emits a pulse of radio waves with every revolution, lies near the center of the Crab Nebula. The period of this pulsar is 33 milliseconds. What is the angular speed in radians per second of the Crab Nebula pulsar? And we're going to fall back on that the angular speed omega times the period t is always 2 pi in radians. And so we can just say that omega is 2 pi radians over the 33 milliseconds. And then I need to convert that there is 1 second per 1,000 milliseconds. And so we get 190.39 rad per sec, which by sig figs becomes 190 radians per second.